Hey everyone, welcome back to Dev Channel. Hard to believe we're already at 2025's last major updates. Like we mentioned back in October's Dev column, version 1.9 is packed with improvements across the board, including tons of features you've been asking for. Let's not waste any time. Here's what's new. First up, the preset troops feature you've all been waiting for. You unlock troop presets once your town center hits level 17. From there, you can set up your troop lineups in advance through the preset interface. The preset system gives you 4 different markers. Use them to label and organize troops by purpose. That makes deployment a breeze. You can apply preset lineups directly to your deployment troops. It will override the current setup and auto-deploy the heroes from your preset. Preset lineups save everything about your heroes, gears, gems, skills, you name it. If you change anything on a hero, the preset updates automatically. Starting with version 1.9, we're changing how merits resets work and how the merits store refreshes. Here's the deal. Merits will reset based on where your server is in the Stellar Glory season. Before Season 2, they reset weekly. After Season 2, they reset seasonally. Also, after Season 2 hits, we're adding fixed boosts to the merit store. This includes limited titles and a bunch of other premium rewards. They'll unlock gradually as you rack up merit, and you can exchange for them anytime during the season. Now you'll have way more time to build up merit during events. Basically, you can clear out the store. Now that we've covered the new stuff, let's talk about some key improvements. The game is getting a fresh round of migration events in December. This one runs from December 3rd through December 13th. Check the official community announcements for stage info, migration groups, and the full rule sets. Here, I'll break down the major changes for this migration event. First up, we're adding a pre-event stage before the announcement stage. During this phase, you can check out the Empire Administrator confirmation rules, see which zones you can transfer to, and view Empire Administrator candidates. Candidates are alliance leaders from the highest power alliance on your server. Their info updates every time you open the interface. Second, the Empire Administrators will be whoever leads the highest power alliance on the server. Don't want a job? Just temporarily leave your alliance or join a weaker one in the kingdom to dodge selection. The candidate gets locked in when the pre-event stage ends. Third, kings can migrate now. When the original king migrates out, the alliance leader holding the imperial city automatically becomes the new king. All the old king's permissions get wiped and transferred over. Fourth, most of you have way higher power than during the last migration, so we bump up the power restrictions. We'll still hand out some migration passes once the event goes live. And for you high-tier power players, we've cut the cost on certain migration passes. Check the in-game event display for exact details. Lastly, like we said before, this migration lets you move between Kingdom servers and Empire servers. After this, Kingdom servers won't be the default beta servers anymore. New features and gameplays won't automatically launch there first. We'll set up new beta server rules and announce them when the time's right. We've tweaked the mount system to make the interface cleaner and easier to use. You can now auto-reroll adornment attributes. Plus, we added batch dismantle and batch craft options. There's also a new locking features for mounts. Locked mounts can't breed or consumed directly. Desolate Desert is the biggest KVK event each Stellar's Glory season. The team keeps a close eye on what you're saying. We roll out improvements before each new season kicks off. This time's no different. We've mainly fine-tuned how Ancient Dunes quests work. Now, just one dune spawns on the map. You can open it straight from the Explore screen. You can also refresh individual quests now. Each quest has its own separate fresh count. When you buy quest items with Empire coins, that quest gets claimed automatically. Check out the official community for more details on interface tweaks and rule changes in the latest Desolate Desert update. Next up, the kingdom position changes we teased earlier. Kingdom Management now has an application system for positions. You get 3 days to apply for the roles you want. Kings and the management member can review applicants and adjust their time slots. Positions go live automatically based on who applied. This new application feature takes a huge load off the king's shoulders. Kings, you've got to try this. One more thing worth calling out. We've changed how mercenary buffs work. Once you've reached mercenary technology, all troops that unit type gets buffs. You don't need to actually use mercenaries of specific types anymore. There's a ton of other improvements in this version beyond what we've covered here. Check the update announcements in the official community if you want the full rundown. That's the main stuff for this episode. Version 1.9 also brings 2 big holidays, Christmas and New Year's. The events are still a ways off, so I won't spoil anything just yet. But I can tell you this, Christmas and New Year's will have awesome in-game bonus event. Stay tuned. As always, thanks for sticking around till the end. Here's a city key for you. Go get it where you can. See you all in 2026. Bye.